Hey, what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I want to do a quick demo and review of this platform called Thinkific, right? So if you want to publish online course, this will be one of the choice you may have. So the best part of this platform is you can start free. So they do have a free plan, which means you don't have to pay any money upfront to publish your course, right? And they do allow you to have unlimited students, even though in the free plan. And you can also have a website builder. So you not only can upload and create your courses inside the platform, and you can also design your own website here. So you don't need to host your site on the WordPress or on other sites. And it's really intuitive. You can just go there and edit it on the website. And you can even choose and the setting of your themes. And they do offer you a theme library, which means if you don't know how to design, then you can just go to the library to choose from. And they will provide you some sales tools, so you can provide a coupon for your students, or you can hire affiliate to promote your course for you. So that's the power of this platform. So let's take a look about some examples, right? So this site is one of the sites which was built upon Thinkific. So you can see it's professional and they have this look like really great, right? So and you can go to check the details. So it allows you to upload your video here, and you can talk about the publisher, more videos, overview, and some reviews, then Q&A. So there are so many elements you can add to your course page. And you don't have to worry about the checkout page because they will do it for you. So all you have to do is you go to their website builder and build everything, right? So that's the power of Thinkific. Now, the downside of that is, as you can see, there's another page built down. So it's more like a brand-based site. So there's no any upping page, no pop-up, no things like that. No support like help desk here, which means like the conversion rate for this page won't be great. So this is for anyone if you already have some kind of conversion process. Maybe you have an opt-in page, you have an email newsletter, you can send people directly to the site. But if you want to pay for traffic, then this will not be ideal for you because the page is not designed for conversion, which means it's not designed for turning people who are not interested in their course or whatsoever into the students. So this is more for people who already know you or they already know your brand, and then this is a great option for you. So so here's my review of that, right? So what's Thinkific for, right? So if you are new, you don't want to design a website, or you are not techie, or you don't want to spend any money upfront, then this is for you. But if you care more about the conversion rate, or you want to customize your website more, then this one may not be for you. But if you got interest to try it out, you can click on the link below this video and to try this platform. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next one.